To record your attendance information, sign into the provider portal and make sure that you're in the correct preschool for all year by clicking at the top section, select the drop-down arrow, and be sure to click 2023-2024 Preschool for All. To access the attendance section, you'll need to click at the enrolled label you see at the top of the page. You can also access attendance by clicking on the number you see within the dashboard under the enrolled label. Navigate to the center of the page and click where you see the label Attendance. If you have more than one location, ensure you're in the correct location and select the classroom. This will be a full-time. If you have part-time classrooms, you'll see the option here as well. Be sure to select the correct month for which you'll be adding attendance data. You can click on the drop-down and you'll see the latest month available. Since we are in the month of October, the latest data we can report on is for the month of September. Before you submit, navigate towards the bottom of the page and you'll see the list of students that were enrolled for the month of September. You'll also see two columns, one that asks you for the days the program was open, and another column that asks you for the days the child attended this month. So you don't have to repeatedly enter the dates. We recommend that you select all of the fields under the column for the days the program was open so that you can enter the information once. You'll see at the bottom a confirmation that you've selected 5 fields, depending on the number of children you had enrolled, and select the Update option. You'll be prompted to enter the number of days the program was open. Let's say we were open 22 days out of the month of September. Select Save, and you'll see that all of the options you selected have been updated with the number 22. Next, we ask that you please update the column to the right that asks the number of days the child attended this month. For this column, we recommend that you do one child at a time so that you prevent data entry errors. Select one child at a time, click Update, and enter the number of days this child attended. Let's say that Layla missed 2 days of class. We're going to say that they attended 20 days out of the month of September. Select Save and move on to the next child. Always select one child at a time so that you avoid entering the wrong information for each child. Once the information has been updated for all children listed, you can move up to the top right corner and select Submit. You will need to click Submit one more time. When you see this window, it will appear blank, and this is your last opportunity to cancel and edit any changes. Once you submit, you will not be able to edit, and if you made any mistakes, you will need to contact PFA support. Once your information is submitted, your confirmation will be a check mark next to the submitted option, as well as a timestamp at the bottom left side of the page. This shows when you submitted it, as well as the name of the person that submitted the data.